Hey, in this video, we'll convert Excel style column titles like AZAA into the numeric column indices. This is the reverse of the more common number to label problem and uses the same base 26 idea, but with A is equal to 1 through Z is equal to 26. We'll write a small robust JavaScript function that handles uppercase to lowercase input and validates this string. Let's walk through the logic and code so you can reuse it in CSV, XLSX tooling, or UI column headers. Think of each letter as a digit. A is 1, B is 2, and so on and so on, all the way to Z is 26. For multi-letter titles, you multiply the total by 26 and add the next letter's value, just like base conversion. For example, AD becomes 1 times 26 plus 4 is equal to 30. This gives a clean big O L algorithm where L is the number of letters. This function first ensures the input is a string, trims white space, and uppercases it. We validate it only contains letters where A to Z to avoid surprises. The loop treats the label as a base 26 number where each letter contributes value is equal to character code minus 64. We multiply the running result by 26 and add that result. It's concise, fast, and works for any reasonably long column title. The table summarizes the loop for every letter shift, the accumulated value left by 26, which we multiply. Then add the new letter digit. This is the exact inverse of generating Excel titles from numbers. The validation steps keeps behavior predictable and avoids accidental non-letter characters. These examples show the math explicitly. ZX is useful because it demonstrates a two-letter title near the upper end of the two-letter labels. Z yields 26, multiply that by 26 gives us 676. Then we add X, which is 24, so we get 700. Use this table on screen when walking through each step to make the base 26 analogy concrete. This conversion is handy when interacting with spreadsheets programmatically. For example, turning user and column labels into array indices or passing Excel style references. It appears in data export import scripts, UI components, and developer tools that manipulate spreadsheets. To wrap up, we've implemented a straightforward and efficient converter from Excel column titles to number using base 26 accumulation. It is safe and performs well even for long titles. If you'd like, I can also provide the inverse function, which is a number to label, a TypeScript typed version, or a tiny utility that passes full cell references like BC23 into col53, col55, row 23. Which one should I make next? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.